Welcome back to the channel. Digital data age, which empowering the enterprise decision through digital data, a reality. Very soon, it's become a reality. You can't manage what you don't measure. A famous quote, someone said, the God is in everything and everything is God. Nothing moves in the world without God. In the digital world, data is everywhere. Everything is data. No decision without data due to invention and advancement of the technology, which includes IoT, artificial intelligence, etc. In a rapidly changing the global business environment, the pressure on organizations to make accurate and timely decisions has never been greater. The ability to identify the challenges, the spot opportunities, and adapt to it agility is not just a competitive advantage, but also a requirement for the survival. In the above context, due to the digital transformation across the globe, the business entities are around the digital data captured through the multi-channel for which a huge investment are being made to make competitive advantages. In order to get more value from the data, companies are engaging more muscle today in the process of capturing huge amount of internal and external data besides hiring a new talent to manage and exploit these new assets. The decisions with data are based on a cycle management, including a volume, variety, velocity, veracity, and the value. The objective or the main concept related to the digital data, a digital data decision. A digital data is associated with a new generation of technology and the architecture which can harness the value of very large volume of very varied data through a real-time processing and the analysis. The objective of this study and the research highlighted the need of data-driven decision is the key to succeed in the business strategy, and every decision taken should be based on data value driven. We will live in data economy with advanced business intelligence tool. Organizations are inching closer and closer to understanding the value of data-driven decision-making across all department functions and its role. The feedback taken from Ola and Uber user would be enable the customer journey is to redefine the user experience. The data collected can be used to further improvement and deliver the improved customer experience in the future rides. Since the pandemic, the natural disaster and regulatory changes and the political challenges, international relationship, the business, public institution, citizens facing the unprecedented changes that as well as the opportunities along with the challenges, when your initiatives are backed by the data, it's become more predictable, leading to better planning and growth result. While a lot of businesses talked about having a data-driven marketing approach, very few understand and how it is done. Recall that late 1990s and late 2000, the organization dependency only on single or two channel for the data collection, and the organization today moved away from the rigid data sourcing model to automated the data sourcing multi-channel, and all the need organization to have a right data scientist to look deep into the data from all angles and provide the valuable insight to the leadership team to make those decisions. The data decision making model and the opinion based on this It's an old model which provides the fast decisions. However, the decision quality can be a very low, which is dangerous for the enterprise strategic decisions. However, it can be applied for the fast decision making in cases where the high quality data is not available. The cost of analysis is more than the value of a good decision. The organization with data quality or availability issues are likely to rely on limited amount of data to make those decisions. It is a potentially the most dangerous decision making using this model, as decision makers could use the limited data to support their opinions, leading to widely supported but opinion based decisions. And this is generally in government sector where bureaucrats make the final decision based on the limited data. Data-driven decision making the manual analysis. In this model, data needs to be available in the high quality and there need to be consensus about the correctness of data from each department. It is the preferable approach for the important decision where timing is not critical and where the cost of automation is prohibitive compared to the benefits. The company needs to manage their data efficiently and effectively, ensure the quality of the data, rely on the powerful analytics business intelligence tool. The automated data-driven decision making using artificial intelligence and machine learning data is available and the high quality, there is a consensus about the correctness of data and it has been processed so decisions are made automatically. Based on the outcomes, the decision making model continuously improves itself over a time. However, audit is challenging when reasons for decision are not provided. To achieve this, companies need to apply the latest machine learning and AI approaches to build the automated operational model based on their data. The digital data along with the algorithm for the better business decisions. The human make those decisions when the process is often muddy, biased, or limited by our inability to process the information overload. Data and analytics can change all that by bringing is more data point from a new sources, a new channel, breaking down information irregularities and adding automated algorithm to make the process instantaneously. As the success of data grow richer and more diverse, there are many ways to use the resulting insight to make decision faster, more accurate, and more consistent, and the more transparent. There are many examples of how this can play out in industries and domains across the economy, smart cities. One of the most promising settings for applying the ability of machines and algorithms to process the huge quantities of information in a fraction of the time it takes those humans. Using the sensors to improve the traffic flows and the Internet of Things enable the utility to reduce the waste and keep infrastructure system working at the top efficiency. Wanted an enterprise in India and its leaders to use the data for the information decision making, which is going to the future of digital data age. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.